It's my first time using straw again. Not one, just one. Okay. I saw myself in the mirror. I look like Mona Lisa. Oh, but the shape is showing. It's 105,000 won. Daming tao ngayon sa Hongdae because it's Saturday.
The signature.
Ready to salon. Hindi na nakita ko magpa-color ng hair. Guys, I'm so excited. On the way na ako ngayon sa studio. Hi everyone, good morning. This is me, 9th day post-operation. And today mag-shopping tayo kasi wala na akong damit. And excited siya because I hired a personal stylist. K-pop personal stylist siya, binuko lang sa Klook. So you can use my code para may discount. Sayang din. Anyway, I'm so excited. Pero bago nadaan muna ako sa clinic kasi mag-oxygen therapy ako. For faster healing of course. Pero sobrang init. Oh my gosh. Ibang level lang ko summer sa Korea guys. Kahit naka-aircon ka na sa loob, ang init pa din. Tapos ganito pa yung suit ko. Wala akong choice. Ito na lang yung damit ko. First store. Hey, fitting time. Ito, iba yung top niya. Mas gusto ko to. I love this top, guys. Oh my gosh, this one I like. Hindi ko sure yung polo if I like. Okay, this is cute. Oh my gosh, I like this one too. Ang ganda ng silhouette. This is giving one the boy, but I like it. Hey, done shopping. Okay, so I just got home. Sorry, I owe you so much. Kasi di ako nakapag-vlog for YouTube, pero nakapag-vlog ako for TikTok. I feel like mag-hold na lang ako para sa inyo dito sa YouTube. But now, I'm super excited because I'm meeting a friend. She's from Vietnam. And nandito rin siya sa Seoul ngayon. We're gonna go sa Apjong. Dito siya magda-drop sa place ko. And then we're gonna take Uber papunta doon. Ito, promise mag-vlog na ako doon kasi ang ganda doon. It's near Seongsu na pala. Okay. Guys, maganda dito sa Nerdy. Naka-sale sila, pero feel ko pag pumunta kayo dito, wala na siya. Pero here's some Medicube. This one?
Yeah, this one I'm using now.
Oh, this one is the mask.
It's good for you if like the pre-makeup also. But this one, right? I think it's this price. Oh.
Guys, may skin booster dito. I mean, booster siya ng skincare like this. I don't know if I should get it.
But this one's like mini plus.
Guys, I don't know if I should buy it. So we're gonna do a random wheel. If yes or no. Oh my gosh. This is not a good example, everyone. But I really want it. And it's useful. Guys, let's see.
You should see.
Okay.
Oh.
What is it?
It's blue. It's yes.
It's a yes. Okay. So we're getting it.
Is it the one?
Ah, there.
Yeah.
Oh, downstairs.
Oh, downstairs.
Downstairs.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Melty.
Yeah. I even know.
It's so weird. It's my first time using straw again. Yeah.
Really?
It feels different.
But you can do it, right? Because as I see many like
Actually, I don't know. Do you think I can? Maybe I just drink it like that, no?
Yeah.
Safer. Guys, look at this mall. It's so fancy. But, look. Kung gaano kalayo nilakad namin. I'm having a hard time to pick if this one or this one. And she said I can't take two. This is better, right?
Yeah, this is better.
Not one, just one. Okay, just one. Oh my gosh, this is cute too. Yeah, okay. Guys, nandito na kami sa Hongdae.
You want to try?
No, I don't want to buy anymore. He wants more cup. Oh my gosh, how many head do you have?
2 packs.
Let's see. Naka-sale yung cup, 15,000 won only.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want to get like this? That's cute.
But I'm not gonna wear it.
I know. I saw myself in the mirror. I look like Mona Lisa. Like with a swollen
You know, like, I actually have a Mona Lisa like a costume.
painting. Ah, costume?
Yeah, you can wear like that, and it's always showing here, and you have to.
Yeah, I look like Mona Lisa. Oh, but the shape is showing. Wow. See that, guys? Lumalabas na yung shape. Guys, naka-sale 40k na lang. Dati sila mga 150k. I need to get one. I'm getting this one. We're eating Korean barbecue.
This one and this one.
Guys, tignan nyo, ice noodles. Sobrang sarap. Oh, ice yan ah. Yay. Ashley always cooks for us.
Yeah, I'm the one who grill everything.
She's mothering right now. Hi everyone, this is my 13th day post-operation. And ngayon pala ako bibili ng mga vintage camera and camcorder. Kasi tinamad daw kahapon. So wala akong masyadong ginawa kahapon. Nanonood ako ng Demon Slayer. Oh my gosh, walang subtitle. Anyway, so today, chat sa akin si Ashley ulit. Sabi niya, what's your plan today? And sakto, paligo pa lang ako nun. And sabi ko, come, let's go. Tara, bibili tayo ng vintage camera and then we're going to Myeongdong. And syempre sasama kayo sa akin. I know, ang dami ko ng haul na utang. Pero sa dulo na lang. Because maglilinis pa ako ng Airbnb kasi sobrang kalat na. But yeah, mas nag-slim down na yung nose ko. Like, malala. And look at my outfit. Di ako nagsuot ng ganito pero dahil sa stylist. Looks nice naman. Okay lang. Let's go to the vintage camera shop.
I think it's like a modern one then.
So these are the camcorder. But one is like small.
Oh, it's so cute.
Right? Oh.
This is for the
Battery, right?
You can check for
The SD card.
아, 리더기?
This is 105,000 won. And then meron pa dito. So I'm just gonna look. Ang cute dito guys. I love the vibe here. Daming tao ngayon sa Hongdae because it's Saturday. I look so swollen. May hot trick sila dito.
Whenever we get into that place, I think I can find Vietnamese people there.
Mag-Vietnamese food kami ni Ashley. Let's go. How did you learn about this?
Learn
Yeah, this store.
this restaurant. I just passing by, like
No, you're the part
shopping.
owner.
Yeah, no.
You're affiliated with them, I know.
I came here because last time I was like shopping
Uh-huh.
in Hongdae for like 2 times a day.
Yay, Vietnamese flag right there. We're eating pho, Vietnamese food. Ashley represent.
Yes.
Wow!
Like in the middle side, but for north side, the signature is the white one. Is represent. So that is signature for the south side. Like it's only like maybe.
Everyone, medyo nagmamadali ako ngayon kasi magpapagawa tayo ng hair. So, ang atake natin is new nose, new hair din. Pero, baka magpa-red ako ng color ng hair. Kung kakayanin ng time, meron kung hindi, perm na lang plus treatment. So, let's go na.
Hi everyone, di ako nakapag-update pero I'm already here sa salon and then silang schedule. So we're gonna get our hair colored red or magenta to be specific, and then I'm gonna get Korean perm as well. So I'll update you guys later. Bye! So I just got my hair done. Ang next natin is perm. Okay, so binababad na yung hair natin sa perm. Una yung perm and then after that saka yung color. Cute kasi may mga books dito so I can read while waiting. Also, alam di ba merong Juno hair sa Pinas pero never pa ako nakapunta dun. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero sa Korea, pangatong best ko na to. I'm so excited. Ngayon na ulit ako magpapakolor ng hair. So, let's go. Dami pa ganito din sila. Pangalawa ko na to. Orange juice and some candies. Ito cookie. Okay, so color naman ngayon. Mahapdi siya konti. May konting kate. Sa gilid lang. Sa taas wala naman. First layer ng color. Now yung red and purple na. I'm excited. Ayun siya.
Guys, ito na ating hair color reveal. I really like it, diba? Bumagay naman siya. Anong rating niya sa hair natin? Comment! Guys, makeup has done it. It looks so good. Look at that. Guys, our hair is done. So nice. Highly recommended ko dito sa Yone. Okay, tama na aura. Next is photo shoot. Let's go.
Guys, yung under na sa studio. Grabe, sobrang init sa akin. Hindi mahulog yung makeup. Kaya naman. Pero bilhin niya ako ng pangita. Tapos may dala naman akong powder. So I think we're okay. Quick side quest. Pupunta ako ng Marge Sherwood.
Guys, I'm so excited. On the way na ako ngayon sa studio. Nag-coffee lang ako and nag-pastry. Yay, we're here na! Guys, now nandun ako sa plane and malalaman natin if masakit ba pag bagong rhino umuwi. Let's see.